that ladies do not usually wear shirts when they are home. The women wear two pieces of cloth called riyas and ring nine generally woven by themselves. Murasing women are to be formed of ornaments and flowers. They wear jhumkas on their ears and karis on their legs.
Hamzat nai rokni